How to download Mitrade application on your Android or iOS device. Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Trading for Beginners. If you are looking to download the Mitrade app and start using its trading platform, firstly open up your Google Play Store or your App Store on your Android or iOS. Now go to the search button at the bottom center and tap on it. In the search bar at the top, type in Mitrade. Once you search for the application, look for this application over here from Mitrade Global Pty Limited and tap on the install or the get button. On your iOS, you'll need to authenticate the installation using Face ID, Touch ID, or your Apple account's password. Go ahead and complete through the prompt and you'll be able to start the download process. Wait for the app to download and install. It'll take a couple of minutes depending upon your internet speed. So make sure you have the stable internet. After the app is installed, you can open the app and you'll be good to go. That is how you can easily download and install Mitrade application on your iOS or Android device. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I will see you again in the next video. Thank you for watching.